right?
Yes.
Can you tell the Honorable Court your name, your address, and your occupation?
My name is John Michael Colin Quirk.
Yes.
Of 7 Tulbach Crescent, Lone Hill, Johannesburg.
7
Tulbach, Tulbach, Crescent, Crescent,
yes.
Lone Hill, which is postcode 2062. I am a British citizen, but presently resident in Johannesburg. I am a chartered accountant, an insurance expert, an actuarial expert, and have and was at the time chief executive officer and managing director of the first defendant.
Yes.
Do you know the first and second defendants? Just tell me if you know them, that's all.
I most certainly do.
Now,
Yes.
do you recall making a witness deposition
I most certainly do. I have made 2 witness depositions.
Hold on. Do you recall making a witness deposition dated the 9th of January, 2023 and the 21st of October, 2024?
I do.
Yes.
I signed them in front of a notarial a notary public who attached the stamp thereto, and I would recognize the 2 documents if put before me.
My lord.
Yes. Get
Yes, yeah, that's the first one. This is the second one.
off. The first one is 9th
January
23. Which year is this? January. Okay. Yes. This is illustrated. He made it notary public.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Yes. All right. Yes. How about the second one is 1st October
No,
2024.
No, it's not first, my lord, it's 24th.
Eh? 21st.
Yes, just
Okay, not first. 21st of October, 2024.
I help.
Okay. I think that's one. Let me just check. 21st, okay. That one is the manager. Okay.
May it please, my lord.
Yes.
I am sorry to interrupt. I sincerely apologize. I am Falodun Arifayan. I am leading Miss Shobowale for the defendants.
Okay.
I was before your learned brother, Justice Owe Ipaye, for another trial. So I'm just rushing down, my lord. My lord, I apologize for my lateness.
Please, let me get your name again.
My name is Falodun Arifayan. Arifayan is the surname. Arifayan, my lord.
Okay. Leading. Because I've already taken for one else.
She has not mentioned her. She has been very
Yes.
Hello, we confirm that we've seen the witness statement. We have no objection.
Okay. Yes.
my lord. Mr. Quick.
Yes.
What would you like the court to do with your two witness depositions?
I would like my two witness depositions, together with the exhibits C1, C24 attached thereto, to be taken into evidence.
Like, so you've looked at it. No, it's the camera. There was something in the camera to you, don't worry.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You want him to identify it?
No, my lord, for documents, we have a strategy in which we use to tender documents. We usually prepare a schedule of documents to help both the court and help our colleagues to easily identify documents. If my lord would not mind, I want to pass one through the registrar to you.
Okay. You want to? Okay, go on.
Okay.
My lord, I'm sorry, just an observation. I had thought that we'll be able to see the face of the witness, my lord. I don't know if that is possible. I can't see him. We're only hearing.
I don't know who controls the camera, but I can see myself.
You know, I don't know. Most of these tools are getting bad. Something should come out from here, but once you press, nothing comes out. But I'm seeing him.
Okay, as the complices.
I'm seeing
If
him.
my lord can see him, it's fine.
Eh?
I said, if my lord can see him, it's fine. Maybe,
Yes.
anyway, maybe
Yes.
after today.
No, at least cameras.
I'm seeing him.
Okay.
Maybe the issue is from his own hand. I don't know.
So you have a copy of this now?
See.
Yeah.
This
So
is-
just like I
460.
eventually
What is this?
So my lord, what this does is it helps you know where the paragraphs are,
Yes.
put in the statement of fact and the witness deposition. And those are the documents that we are tendering.
Yes.
Number one there to if you just turn the page. Yes, my
Okay.
lord. Those are the
That's
documents
it.
we're tendering. I have already discussed with my learned friend on the documents we're tendering and whether they are raising objections or not. And we are finalized on that. There are no objections. But thank God my learned friend is here. He can confirm that himself. So once there are no objections, all we need to do is just mark the exhibits when the documents are passed to the court.
Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Very simple. It helps both in trial, helps in final addresses, and helps in judgment. Very simple.
Okay.
Yes, my
Okay,
lord. So we'll just be going by part A.
Minutes of the meeting.
Technology. You didn't tell me we had this one.
Registration. Letters of the plan. Petition.
It's still.
So come, I can see him now, my lord.
Okay, you can see him.
I can see
Okay, yes. So are we on the same page about the exhibits?
Yes, my lord, we have no problem with the strategy. And as a matter of fact, we are not opposing the tendering of any of the document. We'll let
Very well.
everything go on. Whatever observations we have, we'll deal with it at the final assessment.
Okay,
Yes, my lord.
Agreement.
My lord, that is how colleagues should be at the back.
yes. And that's a very good, it makes it easier.
It makes it easy.
everything easier.
I saw the drama my lord was going through with that.
Honestly.
That is even a simpler drama. There are other counsel that will come here. Hold your paragraph 2. What do you see there? And they start, playing the court around. So this is a better strategy.
This is it's much better.
So all my lord has to do is look at the document, mark it one, whatever my lord.
Because I had to look at the list.
Yes,
and then they were not on the same, they were not as he made them, he listed them.
yes, but this now helps. How
Yes.
to be arranged? Yes, my lord.
Okay,
So my lord, the documents are here.
okay. So you want to tender this in evidence?
Once my lord, they have seen it, so I could ask the witness the question.
Okay.
My lord, if I may just observe, my lord, if my lord looks at document listed as number 10,
Yes.
the list that my learned friend has prepared, I'm sure my lord will mark the exhibit the way it should be, not necessarily according to the description of my learned friend, because my learned friend has already make a determination here that a particular letter is derogatory by his description. He says, second defendant derogatory statement to the Nigerian High Commission to South Africa about the claimant. I think it should be letter of the second defendant to the South African embassy or something, not second defendant derogatory statement. That is a judgment.
Okay. I see.
I'm not sure my lord will put that in the court record. But
So the word derogatory is what we are talking about.
yes, my lord, that's judgmental.
My lord, it's the claimant's pleadings. And if you can look at that, on that number, that is number 10. If you look at the witness deposition there, it says paragraph 44. At paragraph 44, we described it as what it is, derogatory. It is our document. Yes, it's our document. Same now, same. Paragraph 44. Same. Derogatory statements about me.
But it doesn't appear my learned friend appreciate the point I'm making. That is your judgment about the content of the letter. The letter is not headed derogatory. That's your description. So my lord will not take that judgmental description and put it in the court record that I hereby admit defendant derogatory letter as SB this. That's the point I'm making.
Oh.
My lord will not do that.
My lord, that shouldn't cause a rift. It's not a problem.
If my lord feels so, it will be a determination in the judgment.
It's not a problem.
Not in listing the exhibit.
Oh, my lord, that is not a problem. It shouldn't cause a rift. Whatever the letter is before my lord. So whatever my lord describes that, so far as it is marked as an exhibit before the court, I think at judgment stage we'll know whether the letter is derogatory or not. So that is all.
So that is all. That is all. It's part of what the court will have to determine.
Yes, but at
the end of the day.
Yeah, but that is
whether it's derogatory or not.
Yes, my lord.
There are 16 documents. So the documents listed by the claimant in serial numbers 1 to 16 as pleaded and identified by the CW1 are hereby, without any objection, admitted in evidence and marked exhibits C1 to C16 respectively.
As the court please.
As the court please.
Okay. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
You can problem solve.
16. Which means, just as it is listed here, the exhibits are equally admitted in serially.
Yes, my lord.
Exhibits C1 to C16.
As the court pleases.
Okay.
As the court pleases. Thank you very much, my lord.
Yes.
So, Mr. Quick.
Yes, your lordship.
What would you like this honorable court to do for you?
I would like the court to grant me the remedies as set out in my claim.
Well, that marks the examination in chief of the claimant.
Yes. Cross-examination.
My lord,
Yes.
with respect, I'll be seeking an adjournment to cross-examine the witness. My lord, I had earlier sent my colleague here in case I'm unable to get here before the matter takes off.
Okay. And
So,
she has been here since then.
Yes, I asked him to ask for an adjournment. But as I was even rushing down to change that narrative to take the trial. But unfortunately, as I was rushing out of my house this morning, I left the case file. I worked on the two cases overnight. I literally did not sleep. But as I was rushing out, I only took the file of the matter for which I went before Justice Sipaye. So I wouldn't want to say my coming here is even a wasted effort. But that is where I find myself, my lord. So I've actually spoken to my learned friend. I'll be seeking your lordship's indulgence for another date to cross-examine the witness. I apologize, my lord.
Okay.
Yes, my lord. I confirm that my learned friend spoke to me about his challenges today.
Okay.
We are all, like I said, my lord, we are all colleagues at the back. Today it could be my turn, tomorrow it could be your turn.
Exactly.
Yeah, so why not oblige my learned friend? So I'll be apologizing to my client as well. I believe he was not in the know, but
Okay.
the next adjourned date, I believe we should be able to conclude with this evidence so that we can be done with this case.
Okay.
So we look at 28th.
20th October.
Guided now. You already sent your date now. So 28th.
How do you stand on what dates was in that 20th
No,
October?
from what we saw, it was October that was available. So we zoomed in on 28th, October 28th. Yes, sir. We zoomed in on 28th
Okay. Of
October, after the vacation.
okay. So sure. What do you say? So we're resuming on 28th.
My lord, it's convenient for us. If there is no earlier date.
Well, now you they seek the adjournment for now you supposed to talk the date.
Yes, but you already said.
No, you'd better take that October. It wouldn't be nice if you come in July or June. Then maybe you will not be here on that day. Then you now take another date, maybe in November or December.
We are guided, my lord. As a couple.
Thanks for the hint, my lord.
Yes.
I understand that, my lord. We know how it works. All right, 28th.
When?
20th
20th October.
28th.
My lord, is it also 12? 12 time, my lord. Is there a specific time?
It's going to be virtual also.
Yes, because
it has to be from 12.
As a couple.
Yes. Okay. Yes. So that 20th October is
no, my lord, 28th.
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 What day of the week is that?
That's a Tuesday.
It's 28th.
No, from this yeah, and my own diary too. I've tried like 6 trials for that day.
Let not kill you.
Let you not kill me. Let's start from me first. With a soldier, you carry soldier come.
So this matter is now adjourned to the 28th day of October 2025 for the cross-examination of CW1, and it has to be by Zoom
as the court
from 12 noon.
As the court pleases. My lord, we are very grateful.
As the court pleases. My lord, we are grateful for the indulgence.
Sorry, could I address the court?
Thank you.
I don't know whether my microphone is here. I wonder if I could address the court on 2 matters.
Can't do that.
Let him know. What did you say?
You can't address the court. Talk to your client. You can't do that.
Mr. Quick, you said something now.
Yes, your lordship.
Yes, what did you say?
I wonder if I could address the court on a couple of issues.
No,
Okay.
no, my lord.
The first is that I think that the exhibits go up to what 24, 16 to 24, 16 to 24 are covered in my second statement of October 2024.
Yes, 25th October.
Yes, and is that that? But there are exhibits attached to that also, numbering 16 to 24,
There
16
there
to
are some
24.
exhibits
They also
extracted from
need to be included.
your statement on oath. Some exhibits are extracted from this and listed here.
Okay, I just because when the court
Maybe later you
read
Yes,
out, it was only
Mr. Quick,
1 to 16.
these are issues that I would address with you, not the court, please. All right.
Okay, and the second thing I'd like to say is this case has been going on a very, very long time. I myself have appeared in court 8 times at massive cost and expense. It has been going on for nearly 2 decades. I understand that the defendant's legal representative left his papers behind, but none of the delays have been at our volition.
His counsel
I'd
is
like the court to make note of that.
I'm sorry.
Mr. Quick,
That's true.
your lawyer has just told you that he will address you on these issues.
Please,
Okay,
Mr.
I understand.
We
Thank you,
know
my lord.
this matter is a very 2022.
My lord, it started from the Federal High Court years back,
Okay.
went to Court of Appeal, and now NIN. So
Okay.
that's why he's saying 2 decades. But Mr. Quick, please, apologies. These are issues that I would definitely address on with you. Okay.
Your lawyer
I
will
understand.
talk to you
Thank you.
about it.
All right.
This matter is now in the National Industrial Court. Very soon it will be concluded.
Thank you, your lordship.
All right. Okay. That's all.
Yes, my lord. That's it.
Well, we are grateful to the court.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you to all the participants.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Quick.
Okay.
Mr. For the call and break. Chief,
Madam.
you mentioned the statement. That's the confusion that he's having.
Okay.
You understand? As you can see, he's wondering why there are 24 documents.
Okay.
And I'm tendering 16.
Yeah, okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
That is why I'm saying I will address it with him.
Okay.
Most of those documents, we had a brick hole, and that brick hole was in the Federal High Court. The file is missing in the Federal High Court.
No, it should be at the court of appeal.